did a potting video with the Rouge Royale not too long ago, and today they are blooming. They all open up right now. So I want to take this opportunity to take a video about this red rose, because for me this red rose have the whole package. Why do I say that? First of all, it is very gorgeous. It is very upright. You can see the petal formation is just crazy beautiful. Like, it has very thick petal, smell very strong. Old rose fragrance is really strong. It's probably one of the strongest rose fragrance that I have, like fragrance rose that I have in my garden. It is not a deep cut rose, but it is it's pretty flat, but it doesn't over bloom. You know, like how some roses in our area, when it is a flat cut, it would just like over bloom like a pom-pom, you know, under the heat. But not Rouge Royale. Rouge Royale can last on a bush for a week, and then if you cut it inside the house as a cut rose, it can last for, let me think, I think about a week as well. It is that great of a cut rose. It's very upright. Every single bloom is just perfect, okay? And it doesn't fade. Oh my dear, how gorgeous. Look at that. It is a rose from Meilland International, and it's I would say it's a hybrid tea, because how it is, like, you know, when you see how it's like one bloom per each stem. The repeat the repeat is pretty good as well. Like, this one will repeat throughout the year as well. So I have actually two Rouge Royale. This is the new one that I just, my friend just got it for me from Walmart. So if you, sometimes you might want to check on, you know, Walmart might have some pretty good roses as well, which is surprisingly for me, because they usually have knockout only in my area. So there you go. This is probably also another in one of my top 10 roses in terms of cutting. I would say it's probably my number one, not number one. Yeah, I would say number one cut rose, because I think Red Eden will last longer than this rose, but this rose has a stronger fragrance than Red Eden. Nice sharp, very glossy leaf as well. But I do say that this rose can be susceptible to the black spot as well. So just keep that in mind. But overall, it's a pretty good rose. I mean, the black spot is there, so it's important for you to keep it, you know, from, you know, getting poor air circulation and stuff like that. That you will be fine. There you go. This is Rouge Royale.
I went from side to side to tell my trouble come alive. Can't wait, the sun is shining, leave the sails and follow my own tide, yeah. There's a screaming in there, not telling me to leave for a while. So for the first time I trust him, right on now I'm gonna ride my own line. I wanna escape and restart all.